Hey guys,
Hi.
It's me and my good friend, makeup artist extraordinaire, Adanna.
Thank you.
We just filmed a video doing our favorite Valentine's Day looks and talking all about Valentine's Day.
Yes.
And if you want to see how we got these looks, then keep on watching and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today is not Valentine's Day, but when this goes up,
yes, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, and if you're single, happy Single Awareness Day.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah,
Oh,
sad.
that's so depressing.
That's been my life for 24 years. Today what we wanted to do were Valentine's Day themed makeup look.
Yes, with a little edginess.
A little edgy twist, except
Yes.
Devin's just been getting in. This is my first makeup video, and I think you guys probably know that I like makeup because half of my videos, my face is beat, but I've never like done it so on camera. So we're gonna do that.
Yes.
I'm gonna get tips from this lovely lady who's
And
a
hopefully-
lot better than me.
Oh my, no I'm not. I'm not
Yeah,
a lot
she is.
better.
I'm
No, I'm
intimidated.
not.
All I can do is a natural glowy beat look with no eyes, no lashes. I'm not about to do no brows, so, but it's okay.
At least today we're doing eyes and we're doing lashes.
We'll see.
We'll see.
It'll be more like a get ready with me type thing. So we're just gonna like talk about Valentine's Day, get to know our girl, get to know our love lives. I don't really like talk. Okay, let's see.
What do you like to start off first with?
I always prime.
Oh yeah.
I'm running out. This, you know when you buy like the small one, you're like, damn, I should have just bought the big one.
I actually stopped at Sephora too.
So I'm using
like
the
out of stuff.
Too Faced Hangover RX, whatever.
And I am using, of course, Smashbox Photo Finish. I always get these ones, these travel size, just because I heard that they cheat you with the bigger ones. Like the bigger ones are less. They might be, I think they upped the price or something, but so now I just like do it just naturally. But back in the day, they used to cheat you. These are like more. If you get 2 of these, it's the same price for a big one, which is less. Whatever is in here.
I'm already primed and ready.
Yeah, well.
Just recently, is this the right one? Fell in love with the Glossier Boy Brow. So if you're like someone who wants more of like a natural brow, you just kind of want to fill it in, you kind of have to already have brows to use this product.
I just realized something. I've been looking at the
viewfinder?
the whole time.
Me too.
I have this
I
camera.
always do that.
Again, still.
I always do that. I don't think people ever see me actually look them in their face. I'd be like, that's just my thing. That's my brand.
That's my brand. You're just gonna sell on that.
But see, it's like natural. You see? I don't see anything. That's the point.
They have like these little ads that come on Instagram, and I'm like, nothing happened during the entire ad.
I think it's so pretty. All those little ethnic. Oh wait, let me not say that. She got to draw a whole new face.
I'm about to draw a whole new face. A whole new face.
I feel like I'm about to be done in
I'm still
5 minutes and you're still priming your face.
Priming is like really important.
It is, but you just kind of put it on your face. Have you ever been on like a Valentine's Day date?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I used to get like a ton of Valentine's. I used to be like terrible in
You had hoes.
in high school. But ever since high school,
That was your peak?
I think so. Like people don't like me anymore.
That's okay.
So I don't get Valentine's Day gifts or like.
I would get you some, but I'm broke,
Do you
so.
hear that cat?
That's the other one. I'm like, that cat sounds like a human.
Ow.
I'm actually gonna put a second primer on. I don't love this one, but it helps. It gives you like a glowier.
What primer is it?
Oh, great question. It's the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. It's kind of weird.
Does it have like a
Yeah,
illuminating?
it has like glitter in it. Where's my... What's the most important thing? I'll be right back. Adanna will keep you entertained.
So, Comment below.
Hey.
Most outrageous Valentine's Day experience, whether like you got left at a restaurant, or you got broken up with, or you were trying to be a player and you ended up getting played. Not like I can relate. And let us know like, you know, what happened there.
Okay, Laura Lee Los Angeles. She uses this brush and she always, like, her makeup looks good. So, and I really like the look of the brush.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try it, but I prefer a sponge. And so if I don't like how this looks, I don't know if I also look orangier than you. Maybe it's these lights, because this is actually my skin tone, and I look like a pumpkin right now. So I'm confused.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, my eyebrows look weird. I'm supposed to be the pro. So. That's fine. We're just gonna fix it.
I was like, let's see who does the better. And probably my first makeup video was not
the right time.
Time to try new techniques. Okay. Yeah. Beauty blenders.
Okay, let's find out what we're working with this.
I think I'm actually gonna put a little.
This might actually be my color.
Oh, the Color Pop. Have you ever used the Color Pop?
No, but I've heard.
You're gonna like it. What was the question you told viewers to answer? Let's see if we can answer.
What was their favorite Valentine's Day memory, or and what was their like most outrageous memory?
Let's hear yours. I'm also gonna put a little Fenty on the like inside of my face. I don't know how to, yeah. It's a little bit lighter. I usually only wear Fenty on top if I'm being extra. I figure. Okay, this whole using
extra. Well, I guess my funniest one. God save me for the people who watch this.
You know, 3 people. I do that every time.
In high school, I had my partner at the time gave me this stuffed bear dog thing, and it like had a heart that said "I love you." I recently gave it to, because that person's not my ex. Recently gave it to my dog, who whipped it to shreds.
Not your dog.
In a day. And I was like, wow, where were you 4 years ago? Anyway, so he, the person I was dating at the time, gave that to me, and then I gave it to my best friend because she was single.
Aww.
And
I'm the friend.
My ex literally like threw the biggest fit and was like, how can you have another Valentine? Like, why would you give them what I gave you? Like all this other stuff. And I was like, she's my best friend. Wasn't having it. So needless to say, my relationship ended a couple months later.
I don't think I have a story because
oh my god.
I've never had a Valentine. That's so sad.
Really? You've never had one?
My mom. So
this is the foundation that I'm using. Ooh. I just cut you off.
I was like,
I was like, ooh.
What is it?
It's Infallible Pro Matte. Desi like swears by this. I don't know if she still does. Sorry,
she
Desi.
said, I got money now.
But she used to swear by it. So I am really liking this concealer.
Oh, really?
You might leave with it.
Honestly, you can have it. I don't use it anymore now that I have this one. This one's definitely the right color for me.
Oh, yeah.
It always was too bright, but I think it's because I'm more natural and you're more glamour. So I'm using the Fit Me translucent, well, it's not translucent, but the setting powder. It's like one of my new favorites. I'm putting a little powder under my eyes too.
You said a little. I just wanted to know like what your little was.
Was that a lot?
Ooh, I dug my nail into sis. Ooh.
Still blending away. I was waiting for someone to say something.
Oh,
okay, these lids look completely different. It's okay, y'all. We gonna get it. Look. I ain't got all day. This is too much. This is the problem with eyeshadow. I don't have patience, but I want to do looks that take you 3 hours to accomplish. Okay. I want to bring a brighter red into this.
We have all these reds in front of us, and all he keeps saying is, I want to bring this red into this. Like,
can I just keep using it? I don't want to switch. Like, then I gotta look for another brush.
Me too. They like had it for like it was like a limited edition. A cute little look.
It's nothing crazy. Like I could see someone wearing this going shopping. I'll be trying to look like, oh, I can't leave the house. This is an editorial look. Like that's already cute.
That's really cute. See, eyeshadow's not scary.
Yeah, but this is boring.
Yeah, you need to like take it up enough.
I really like this, and I feel like I even do that.
See? I don't know why you're afraid of eyeshadow.
Do you see? It's like 17 palettes to make this stuff happen. It's like, who got no? I'm going to practice like this.
You're doing really well for your first time. After some time, she's just tired and old and not.
Get the Deep Dark Elf blush palette. It's so good. I like this color, and I like this color.
It came out nice and slow.
I'm over here looking in the viewfinder. That's how you know I'm giving up. Done. This looks blinding. I didn't even blend it in. This is my base.
I like one thing.
Look at that.
It looks so good.
It doesn't look like that in person. Don't look. I have to put something on it. This is like good if you don't have makeup on. When you put it on foundation, it starts to like
mixing and stuff. Ooh.
I love it so much.
Orgasm! Oh my god, it feels amazing.
It's the K-pop glow up. Karuchi did that. I mean, she probably. Who said that?
Who said what?
I said because he's irrelevant. What? I'm basically done. Oh my god. It's too hot. Fenty?
Just noticed that Fenty comes with a mirror, and I think that's so dope. And I've been using it this whole time. I probably use it all the time too, and I'm just now noticing. I was like, wait a minute. Did I just have a mirror? A random mirror? Anytime a product produces anything and they throw a mirror in there, it's worth all the coins. Yours is gonna be better because it's gonna keep going.
You better like.
It's okay.
I'm not even in there.
I caught some.
It's so fine.
Ooh,
It feels so, and it smells good. Like I never want to stop. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to follow her on Instagram because she posts a lot of really good looks.
Yes.
She's a makeup girl.
I am.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day or whatever day it is that you're watching this. And
Valentine's Day. Just kidding.
Share it, like, comment,
subscribe. Hit the button below. Hit the button below. And my YouTube channel is coming soon.